皆さんこんにちは、佐藤です。今日のレッスンは Today's lesson is Lesson 19. Today I'm gonna teach you adjectives. では始めましょう。Let's get this started. There are two types of adjectives in Japanese. E-adjectives and na-adjectives.We conjugate them to make present, past, negative, and affirmative forms, and so on, like we do for verbs. These two types of adjectives follow different conjugation patterns. Let's see the differences between these two adjectives and then practice how to use it. First of all, I'll introduce some e-adjectives.So please repeat after me. 大きい、大きい、大きい。小さい、小さい、小さい。大きい and小さい。The next one is 暑い、暑い、暑い。寒い、寒い、寒い。暑い and 寒い。Next one is怖い、怖い、怖い。かわいい、かわいい、かわいい。怖い scary and かわいい cute sound similar, but they mean totally different things. It's not 怖い it's 怖い scary or かわいい cute. So please don't mix them up. Let's make some sentences using the e-adjectives you just learned. このリンゴは大きいです。このリンゴは大きいです。リンゴ is apple and 大きい is an e-adjective for big. Simply add this for affirmative present tense sentences. Let's say her name is Maya. Her first name, Maya. How do you say Maya is cute? Maya is cute. Please make a sentence. Maya さんは or Maya はかわいいです。Maya さんはかわいいです。Maya さんはかわいいです。So かわいい is an e-adjective for cute. And then don't forget to add this. Please repeat after me. 大きいです。大きいです。小さいです。小さいです。暑いです。暑いです。寒いです。寒いです。怖いです。怖いです。かわいいです。かわいいです。All of the e-adjectives end with e. 大きい、寒い、かわいい。Next, let's see some na-adjectives. 元気な、元気な、元気な。I'm going to explain about this na later, so please don't worry about it right now. 元気な doesn't mean good for your body. You can't use it when you want to say, this food is healthy. It just describes someone's good condition of body and feeling. Next one is 静かな静かな静かなきれいなきれいなきれいな It's not きれいな It's more like きれいなきれいな like れ long sound きれいな Let's say his family name is 林 Hayashi-san. Please make a sentence. Hayashi-san is healthy or energetic. What's the adjective for healthy, energetic? 林さんは元気です。林さんは元気です。林さんは元気です。You may have noticed that there's no na after GENKI. This na is required only in specific occasions. Please repeat after me. 元気です。元気です。静かです。静かです。きれいです。きれいです。We don't need na? Then why are they called na-adjectives? We need to add na for noun modification. When you want to say a big apple, you can just say 大きいりんご big apple 大きいりんご if the adjective is an e-adjective. The word 大きい modifies りんご apple. On the other hand, if you want to say a beautiful apple, you have to say きれいなりんごきれいなりんご Now you need na here. So when you modify nouns using na adjectives, you need to put na before the nouns. When it doesn't modify any nouns, it's hard to know if it's an e adjective or na adjective. Because, for example, 大きいです and きれいです both 大きい and きれい end with e. It's confusing. This is why na adjectives are often introduced like this. GENKI na. I wanted to memorize na adjectives this way, so that you know that it's a na adjective. When you look up new adjectives in the dictionary, it always tells you if it's an e adjective or na adjective. Please don't forget to check it and learn na adjectives with na. GENKI na, as I said when you memorize. Please translate this sentence. This house is cold. It's cold in this house. Do you remember how to say house in Japanese? 家 house. And then this house is この家 this house この家この家は cold 寒い it's an e adjective 寒い and then don't forget to add ですこの家は寒いですこの家は寒いです What's the opposite word of 寒い Hot. How do you say hot in Japanese? 暑い It's also an e adjective 暑いです Next one. This town is quiet. It's quiet in this town. Firstly, town is 町 and this town この町 this town この町この町は quiet it's 静か静か it's a na-adjective この町は静かですこの町は静かですこの町は静かです Here's another question. It's a quiet town. It's a quiet town. How do you say it's a quiet town? You can drop the part it is. So quiet town is 静かな町です。静かな町です。静かな町です。You need na here because 静か quiet modifies the noun 町 I'm gonna ask you what kind of person he or she is. Please describe them using the adjectives below. The question I'm gonna ask here is person はどんな人ですか person はどんな人ですか人 means person 人 it's a noun person and the word どんな is a really useful word. What kind of? どんな人 What kind of person? どんな plus noun. It can be used when you want to ask what kind of thing it is. Please repeat after me. どんな町ですかどんな町ですか What kind of town is it? どんな国ですかどんな国ですか What kind of country is it? どんな人ですかどんな人ですか What kind of person is he or is she? What's he like? What's she like? Let's get back to the practice. Her name is Emi. Her first name, and she's energetic. The question is, エミさんはどんな人ですかエミさんはどんな人ですか You can drop the part エミさん because it's clear that we are talking about her. So, what kind of person? She's energetic. How do you say energetic? エミさんは元気 energetic 人 person She's an energetic person 元気人です Something is missing here 元気人です The adjective 元気 modifies the noun 人 person energetic person 元気人 and 元気 is a na-adjective So you need to add na here. 元気な人です。元気な人です。She's an energetic person. Last one for today. リュウジさんはどんな人ですかリュウジさんはどんな人ですか He is a scary person. How do you say scary person?The word for scary is 怖い So scary 怖い person 人怖い人です He's a scary person Do we need na here? Do we need it? No, because 怖い is an e-adjective So just怖い人です。怖い人です。リュウジさんはどんな人ですか怖い人です。Next time we are going to learn how to make negative forms of adjectives. See you in the next lesson. ありがとうございました。